build to study. I have a learning framework I call Learn, Experiment, Build, Teach, which is how I, ingest information. And this weekend was about building. And I built 3 different significant, technically challenging products, and none of them are probably going to ship into the market because that's not the purpose of them. The purpose was to learn about these relatively hard technologies that they were associated with. And as I start building out that intellectual property of how I can work with these much harder things that can eventually turn into something else, turn into a consulting practice, turn into some other kind of product, what have you. So when people are asking like, hey, when you're building, does that count as shipping? Does that count as studying? Does that count as selling? I tend to think the vast majority of building should be considered studying because the vast majority of building is about getting information into your head. And if you're doing those kinds of experiments, if your purpose is to be learning more, then when you have an understanding of like what's in the market, where the market needs are, you have this library of technical supply you can apply to create extraordinary value.